Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your host Ahmed Amin and we'll be making another video on the travel. So last week I told you guys about the countries that have COVID restrictions overall and how it is difficult to go in those countries. But today, as we look at the brighter side, I'll be telling you about some countries where there are no or very less travel restrictions due to the COVID-19. There are countries adopting a very different approach in the sense that no on-arrival quarantine measures are in place for visitors, provided that they have the negative COVID test among other requirements. So talking about the first country, Maldives. The Maldives is now reopened for the tourists. Upon arrival, inbound travelers will be granted a 30-day tourist visa and will be exempted from having to self-isolate. Travelers will be expected to fill out a health declaration form and wear masks and cards at all times during flight hours. Moving to Pakistan, our home country, asymptomatic travelers will be required to take a COVID-19 RT-PCR test and its results submitted to the designated authorities within 48 hours of travel. In case of found positive cases for the coronavirus, the travelers will have to face mandatory quarantine period. So in Pakistan overall, that is a very good situation for travelers and tourists as the cases are not rising to such a pace than other countries, and overall the authorities have had a light restrictions on the travelers. Moving to the UAE, everyone wants to travel to the UAE once or twice in a year, and everyone is fond of going to the Arab Emirates. In case of the Dubai reopening, foreign travelers have been allowed to visit Dubai since July 7th. No quarantine has been imposed on them on arrivals, and they have to meet the necessary COVID-19 negative tests in order to travel there. Among others, the travelers must have a valid insurance policy and a filled out health form prior to their embarking. Health screenings are also there with necessary measures, and with their high-tech technology, they are fighting COVID-19 UAE and are using good measures to help the travelers in their traveling most of all in this COVID times. Moving to our second last country, it is Brazil. Brazil is currently open for international travelers and does not impose quarantine measures for arrivals. However, should travelers are tested for COVID-19, they will be subjected to a 14-day quarantine. Additionally, those exhibiting COVID-19 symptoms are recommended to self-quarantine for 14 days. Lastly, we'll be talking about Egypt. All international travelers arriving in Egypt, including Egyptian nationals, are required to present a negative PCR test certificate issued within the preceding 72 to 96 hours prior to departure. Those unable to produce and said certificate will be tested on arrival. Should a traveler test positive, he will have to quarantine and self-isolate for up to 14 days on his own expense. So guys, these are some of the countries that we wanted to mention to you about, so that you can travel to these countries after filling the necessary requirements. And I would also like to say that the world is soon and rapidly opening up to tourism after the coronavirus. And these and other countries among these are those who have relaxed their issues and their restrictions around corona. So I hope you like this video and it is informational to you and it helps you in traveling. And stay tuned for our next video, and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.